What if you could completely transform your finances in just 30 days? Today, I'm sharing a financial reset challenge that's helping people save their first million. One viewer from Lagos followed this exact method and saved 1.2 million naira in just 1 year. Stay to the end to see the Day 30 strategy that changes everything. Welcome to Finance Chapter. I'm Comfort, and today I'm sharing a 30-day financial reset challenge that works whether you're in Lagos or Los Angeles. The principles of building wealth are universal. They work regardless of your location. I've tested this challenge with people from many countries, and the results have been incredible. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building financial habits that stick. Come with us as we break down exactly what you'll do for each of those 30 days. Days 1 through 5 are all about gaining awareness of your current financial situation. This works the same whether you're earning naira or dollars. Day 1, track every expense. Download a free app like Mint or use a simple notebook. For the next 30 days, record every single naira or dollar you spend. This creates immediate awareness. Day 2, calculate your net worth. Add up all assets and subtract all debts. In Nigeria, include your contributions to pension schemes. In America, include your 401k and IRA balances. Don't worry if this number is negative. That's why you're here. Day 3, identify income streams. List every source of income and calculate your total monthly earnings. The average millionaire has 7 income streams, while most people rely on just one. Day 4, categorize your spending. Review last month's expenses and sort them into housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and others. You'll be shocked at where your money actually goes. Day 5, calculate your personal inflation rate. This is critical in both Nigeria, where inflation recently hit 31%, and America, experiencing around 3%. Determine how much more you're spending compared to last year. Days 6 through 12 focus on creating a realistic budget and finding immediate ways to reduce expenses. Day 6, create your basic budget using the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt reduction. In Nigeria, you might need to adjust this to 60-20-20 due to higher essential costs. Day 7, identify 3 subscriptions to cancel. The average American spends $219 monthly on subscriptions they barely use. Nigerians increasingly face the same subscription creep with digital services. Day 8, negotiate 3 bills. Call your internet provider, insurance company, or landlord and negotiate better rates. Find cheaper data subscription or call plan. You'll be surprised how much you could be saving monthly from this step. Day 9, implement the 24-hour rule. For any non-essential purchase over $50 or 20,000 naira, wait 24 hours before buying. This eliminates impulse spending. Day 10, meal plan for a week. The average family wastes 30% of their food budget. Create a simple meal plan to reduce food waste and unnecessary spending. Day 11, find your money leaks. These are small recurring expenses that add up. Daily coffees, bank fees, or transportation inefficiencies. Day 12, create specific financial goals. Write down exactly what you want to achieve in 3 months, 1 year, and 5 years. Days 13 through 20, focus on attacking debt and building your first savings buffer. Day 13, list all debts from smallest to largest. Whether it's credit card debt in America or personal loans in Nigeria, knowing your exact numbers is crucial. Day 14, create a debt snowball plan. Pay minimum on all debts, but throw extra money at the smallest one. This works psychologically in any currency. Day 15, open a high-yield savings account. In America, online banks offer around 5% currently. In Nigeria, treasury bills and fixed deposits and online banks offer up to 20% returns per annum. due to the higher interest rate environment. Day 16. Set up automatic transfers to savings. Automating your finances works universally. What's automatic gets done. Day 17. Sell items you don't need. The average household has $5,000 or 2 million naira in items they no longer use. List 5 items today on Facebook Marketplace, Gigi, or eBay. Sell them and let that money go into your high-yield savings. Day 18. Find one way to increase your income. This could be overtime, a side gig, or asking for a raise. Day 19. Create an emergency fund target. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses, starting with a mini emergency fund of $1,000 or 400,000 naira. Day 20. Research financial education resources. The best investment is in yourself. Find a book, course, or YouTube channel that teaches financial literacy specifically for your country. Days 21 through 27 are about building your investment foundation, whether you're using naira or dollars. Day 21. Research investment options specific to your country. In Nigeria, consider Nigerian treasury bills, mutual funds, stocks on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, or dollar investments. In America, focus on index funds, ETFs, and retirement accounts. Day 22. Open your first investment account. In Nigeria, apps like Branch, Trove, or PiggyVest make investing accessible. In America, platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood are good starting points. Find links to some of these apps in the description below, and tell us in the comment section which investment app you are already using and why you love them. Day 23. Make your first investment, no matter how small. Even 10,000 naira or $100 is enough to start. The habit is more important than the amount. Day 24. Research retirement options. In Nigeria, look into the contributory pension scheme. In America, understand your 401k or IRA options. Day 25. Calculate your retirement number. How much will you need to retire comfortably? This calculation is crucial, regardless of currency. Day 26. Create a passive income goal. Aim to build streams of income that don't require your active time. Day 27. Review your insurance coverage. Proper insurance is wealth protection. Review health, life, and property insurance. Days 28 through 30 are about creating a sustainable financial system that lasts beyond this challenge. Day 28. Create a financial calendar. Schedule regular money dates with yourself or your partner to review progress. Mark bill due dates, investment days, and quarterly reviews. Day 29. Build your wealth building team. This includes finding resources like accountants, financial advisors, or even money-minded friends who support your goals. In Nigeria, joining investment groups can provide both knowledge and accountability. Day 30. This is the game changer I promised. Create your money operating system. This is a one-page document that outlines your financial values and goals, your income allocation formula, automatic saving and investing rules, criteria for spending decisions, financial boundaries with others. This system removes daily decision fatigue and puts your financial growth on autopilot. This works whether you're earning naira in Lagos or dollars in Los Angeles, because it's based on principles, not specific amounts. This 30-day financial reset challenge works regardless of your currency or country because it's built on universal financial principles. The key is consistency and implementation. Don't just watch this video, actually do the challenge. What I love about this approach is that it meets you where you are. Whether you're dealing with high inflation in Nigeria or housing costs in America, these principles adapt to your situation. Your exact numbers will differ, but the system works anywhere. Download the investment apps mentioned earlier, links in the description. Hit subscribe and the notification bell to join our financial literacy movement. Comment below with which day you think will be most impactful for you, and I'll personally respond. See you next Tuesday with Another financial game changer.